कोई कोर्ट का आदेश था आपको?
जी सर।
पेमेंट किया आपने?
सर हमारी सर औकात इतनी नहीं है कि दे पाए।
औकात नहीं दे पाएंगे तो जाएं या फिर?
सर हम वहाँ नौकरी करते थे सर।
Since you admitted, how many students were admitted? 14,000.
नो सर,
Then 4,000,
ओनली 2000।
2,000. Could you teach 2,000 students in one session? Why did you admit? Yes. So I assure you, Mr. Verma, that they will go to jail. They will suffer imprisonment.
I will try to assist you.
Let us see what will not leave things like that.
शक्ति कुमार, प्रिंसिपल आइडियल हायर सेकेंडरी पब्लिक स्कूल at डेल्हा गया।
Your Lordship, Mr. Senior Counsel Jagat Chandra Verma is on leg before another court, Your Lordship.
No, contempt has been made out, and the court has no option but to
Actually,
take him into custody.
Actually, he is the salary paid employee of the school, Your Lordship.
Let me see. We will not punish someone who has not committed any offence. Let me see what is the order. Where is the chairman of the board? Ask him to be here. Whether he is a party or not. Come here. कौन है आप?
शक्ति कुमार प्रिंसिपल।
हाँ?
प्रिंसिपल।
आपको डायरेक्शन था?
क्या सर डायरेक्शन?
हाँ?
क्या डायरेक्शन?
कोई कोर्ट का आदेश था आपको?
जी सर।
पेमेंट किया आपने?
सर हमारी सर औकात इतनी नहीं है कि दे पाए।
औकात नहीं दे पाएंगे तो जाएं या फिर?
सर हम वहाँ नौकरी करते थे सर।
ऑल राइट।
तनख्वाह पे काम करते सर, छोड़ दिया।
ऑल राइट।
सर बहुत हम कोशिश किए मैनेजमेंट के सामने हाथ जोड़ने का।
आप चुप रहें प्लीज। Who is the chairman of the board? Where is the chairman of the board?
पूछा जा रहा। हाँ, चेयरमैन कौन है बोलिए ना। मैनेजिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन। लॉर्ड, आई एम सॉरी मिलॉर्ड। कौन मैनेजिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन कौन है? इसका प्रेसिडेंट
नीलू देवी, रूबी देवी।
One Ruby Devi.
Ruby
Milord, in
Devi.
the present case, Milord, we are conceding, Milord, we are admitting, Milord, there has been guilt, Milord, on our part, Milord. The only submission is, Milord, that
So why has he come?
since he is the party,
He is the party.
Yes, Milord, he is the party. Shakti Kumar Nair. He is the headmaster of the school.
Yes.
Lord, he was a salaried man. The school had been recognized for only one session. Thereafter,
Whose school is this? Whose school was this?
Lord, it was a school, Milord, managed by a managing committee.
Where is that managing committee?
Milord, that details, Milord, I will be supplying, Milord. I will be giving, Milord, details of that. लेकिन हुजूर हम एक प्रेयर करेंगे
Yes.
इस डिसीजन के आधार पर।
Yes.
There is one case, Milord, reported in दी किताब कौन है? Milord, there is one AIR 1995 Supreme Court page is 308. Relevant paragraphs are paragraphs 9 and 10.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, what is there?
Lord, in that it has been said that I am placing paragraph 9 and 10, my lord. It has been said, my lord, that section 2B of the Contempt Act to mean civil willful disobedience to any judgment, degree, direction, order, writ or other processes of court, where the contempt consists in failure to comply with or carry out order of the court made in favor of a party. It is a civil contempt. The person or persons in whose favor.
Yes, you don't explain that. I understand that this is not a criminal contempt, this is a civil contempt. Whether in civil contempt.
Not only that.
Yes.
On the point of, my lord, punishment, I was
Yes,
placing,
yes,
my lord,
yes.
paragraph, in that it has been said, my lord, that
Yes.
is why framers of the act, while defining civil contempt, had
Yes,
said
yes,
that
there is no dispute, you are not required to I was under the impression that you are showing something else.
no,
This is a civil contempt, disobedience of the court's order.
no, submission is, my lord, that for that, my lord, there
Yes.
should be willful disobedience, my lord. Here, my lord,
Yes.
and in that case, it was a case, my lord, the contempt had been initiated.
Yes.
The man was to pay, my lord, to pay 24 crores, my lord.
Yes.
And it was held, my lord, keeping in view the certain facts, my lord, compelling circumstances.
Yes.
No punishment was awarded. That
No?
was- no punishment was awarded, my lord, in the Supreme Court case, my lord. So relevant portion I may be permitted to.
No,
place.
this is, I am of the firm view, the Supreme Court might have taken some view in some other case on the basis of facts and circumstances of
Yes,
those,
no, it
of
is
that
stands-
case.
it is
But here it's a
stands-
deliberate,
It stands, my lord.
you
as
commit
form.
crime and then you commit contempt and you say,
No, but-
yes.
My lord, we are conceding, my lord, there has been fault on our part, my lord. He has not complied with the order.
Yes.
To that extent, he is a guilty.
Yes,
So far,
let the
guilt
entire
part-
property be sold off.
So far, guilt.
Let the entire property of the school be sold off for payment of the amount.
My lord, the whole. Then, my lord, the managing committee, so far as I am concerned.
Yes, we will send, I will send everyone. Every member of the managing committee shall go to jail. I don't know in what circumstance the only principal is here. Let me see.
One or two aspects also your lordship may kindly see, my lord. My lord, conceding that there is a disobedience.
Mr. Verma, disobedience of this court's order is an admitted fact.
Yes, my lord.
According to you, that disobedience is not willful or deliberate.
Deliberate or
One.
intentional, my lord, yes.
Two, according to you, even if it is willful and and deliberate, it is a civil contempt. Therefore, no jail. I will consider this aspect.
Not only, my
No,
lord.
no.
No, not only that.
Mr.
my lord.
Verma, I will not punish them. I will not punish them till they comply with the order. I will force them to comply with the order. They will have to sell off the entire property.
On that score, my lord, the Supreme Court is there.
Yes.
That if on account of, I may be, only 4 or 5 lines I am placing before your lordship, in that from the circumstances of a particular case brought to the notice of the
Mr.
court.
Verma, that decision is, and maybe in the light of some bona fide action of someone. Here the very beginning, the foundation is criminal.
Since, my lord, he was.
Since you admitted, how many students were admitted? 14,000.
No, sir.
Then 4,000,
Only 2,000.
2,000. Could you teach 2,000 students in one session? Why did you admit?
सर एडमिशन का पावर हमको
तो एडमिशन का पावर वहां पे है, यहाँ पे आपको ये कंटेम्प्ट में यू शुड बी लेफ्ट.
सर हमको सैलरी मिलता था, हम उसी पे काम करते थे.
सैलरी मिलता था चोरी करने के लिए.
सर, चोरी करने के लिए हम लोग को बहुत कम सैलरी में.
Shut up! Sakti Kumar, who was the principal of Ideal Higher Secondary Public School, Delha Gaya, is present. in court. So stop. It has been recorded in the order dated 5/7/2000. उसको काट दो. His admission has been recorded in the order dated 5/7/2018 that this court's order dated 26/2018, sorry,
What to?
has not been complied with. So stop. He, however, submits before this court that he was merely paid employee of the Ideal Higher Secondary Public School, Delha Gaya, and he had no control over management of the school. You are not member of the managing committee? No. And he was not a member of the managing committee of the school. So stop. Let him file an affidavit giving in detail the name of the chairman of the managing committee of the school and all members of the said managing committee of the school by Monday next. So stop. List this case on, Wednesday next. So stop. List this case on Wednesday, on which date the principal so and so shall be required to be present in court. Gave the name, parentage and present address. Yes, all of them will go. Mr. Verma, this court will not spare. This court will not spare.
I mean, the order is there, my lord. It has been
The order
affirmed.
will have to be implemented.
It has been affirmed by Supreme Court, so my lord, we
Yes.
cannot. The only prayer would be, my lord,
Yes.
the compelling circumstances in which it cannot be complied with.
No, no. There is no.
So far, he is concerned, my lord.
It can be complied with. He may not be. Therefore, I
Because
don't know.
the amount runs to the tune of 4 crores.
Not a big amount. Not a big amount. And what is the basis for calculation of that amount? Have you seen the order? So that is not a big amount. And they could have easily sold the property of the school.
Every student is to be paid rupees 20,000.
Yes,
And then 2,000 students are there.
20,000. Why 20,000? Have you
That is
seen?
there. I mean, like,
Have you seen why 20,000?
oh yes, my lord.
What?
I mean this beyond sanction.
No, because this might have been the fee they must have collected. That is the reason. That is the minimum amount which the court has assessed. And therefore, the 4 crore is nothing for them.
I mean, we cannot, I mean,
Yes.
it has been affirmed by Supreme Court.
Yes.
Supreme Court has specifically in
Yes.
one of the paragraphs
Yes.
has,
So I assure you, Mr. Verma, that they will go to jail, they will suffer imprisonment.
I will try to assist you.
Let us see. Let us see. Court will not leave things like that.